welcome to another free.volous webisode. Today I'm bringing you my travel skincare for this latest flight I'm taking. I'm still going to take the flight, but when you watch this, I will have already returned. As I said on my previous video, I'm going to go to Heidelberg for a festival, a dancing festival. It's called the Chase Festival. It's for Lindy Hoppers, and we dance to swing music, in case you're wondering. So yeah. And this is what I'm taking with me in terms of skincare, body care, all of that. Let's talk cleansing. Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. Love this and look fantastic. Had small sizes, 15 ml sizes, perfect for traveling. Oskia Renaissance cleansing gel. I use this as my second cleanse and as my AM cleanser. It has a bit of some enzymes to the gentlest of ways exfoliate your face. Love this, and it's a bit bulky for traveling, but I can't part with it. On my dry bag, also another cleanser. This may sound too much, but if I'm breaking out, I need to use the Daily Microfoliant by Dermalogica. This is a powder that you mix in with water, rub on your face, and it sort of slightly exfoliates your face before diluting to completely with the water, and it has salicylic acid, so it's what I use if I'm breaking out, and I don't know if I will. Daytime and nighttime, I need my Hada Labo Essence Toner Hyaluronic Acid thing. It's a liquid. You put it onto your hands and you pat it onto your face. It's so nourishing and hydrating. I love this. And I'm going to order a new bottle soon. Of course, this is decanted. If you watched my toiletries, all the toiletries in your carry-on video, I think that's what it's called, you'll know I love these glass bottles to travel with. So I've decanted some into here. And this is day and night, people. Day and night. This is my first step after cleansing. After that, for the morning, I have these two. Drunk Elephant will soon be available at Space NK, I think, so I'm hoping we can all in Europe get a hold of Drunk Elephant through Space NK in the fall, I think. These were brought to me. I asked my friend to bring me, and these are the C Firma Day Serum, Vitamin C, must have, and the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel. Again, moisture without the heaviness. All about that, and that's what I use in the morning. Evenings, after the Hada Labo Essence Toner, I'm going to apply Good Genes. This is the original formula. Sunday Riley is changing the formula for Europe because I don't know why, but they're changing the formula from lactic to glycolic acid. Don't get me wrong, I love glycolic acid, but I prefer lactic acid as my daily exfoliator. So gutted because they're doing that, but anyway, this is a small, very small size. I think this was a gift with purchase from Cult Beauty, something I bought from them, and this came with. So happy, and I use them for these specific travels. So my exfoliation / hydration with Good Genes, and then I'm on my last legs of my Vintner's Daughter. Love this. They call it a serum. It's an oil. At least it feels like an oil on your face. If you are sensitive to oils, you will not like this. I love this. I'm on my last legs, and I don't know when I'll be able to afford a new one, so we'll see. Anyway, for my eyes, Eucerin Hyaluron Filler. Love. This is the extra rich version. Love this eye cream. Nothing bad to say about it. So use it morning and evening. For my lips, Cicaplast Lèvres by La Roche-Posay. Funnily enough, this is not available. The Lèvres one is not available in Portugal. Why? Why? If I'm feeling that my skin has gone through hell and back because of the airplane, I always keep my Ceramidin cream with me, and this is what I'm going to apply on the airplane when flying. So this is by Dr. Jart, again, small size. There was a travel pack available at Sephora and I snatched it, and I keep the little one with me at all times because when my skin is dehydrating, this is where I go to layer or to seal in any moisture that I've applied previously. This is beautiful, and to prevent the moisture from going away, and also it has ceramide, so they help to build up the last layers of your skin and keep them very smooth. So that's what it does. Face SPF, Trinity London's BFF cream, SPF 30, doubles as a tinted moisturizer. Not that tinted, but enough. Touch-ups throughout the day, La Roche-Posay Antelios Mist, SPF 50, love this. Not oily, doesn't leave a lot of residue on my face. Love this for touching up. And then last product on my liquids is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Shampoo, which I need to wash my hair. I use any sulfate-free sample I have lying around. So that's what I have here. Back in you go. What else can be of interest to you in my bag? I have this Lush tin in which I have put a bit of glycerin soap. Great for washing your body, very gentle for your skin, hydrating, and doubles up as a great cleanser for brushes and for your washcloth, for your face washcloth every evening after washing your face. If you're traveling with just one, which I am, I wash this every night after cleansing my face with a bit of glycerin soap, so it does all the duties. And then here is my beloved King of Skin. It's very small because it's very used, and I keep repurchasing this. Love the scent, and it's an in-shower hydrator. It's a massage bar. You massage it onto your skin. It leaves a very hydrating film. It smells deliciously for hours, so I always keep this because it's one less cream I have to travel with. And the other cream that I don't have to travel with is my deodorant, which is an alum rock stone. I don't know. You can buy these on Amazon and in health food and healthy green stores, you know. So look them up. You just wet them and rub them under your armpits. Other than that, nothing too interesting. A little pouch with nail clippers, nail file, tweezers, antihistamines, ibuprofen, my razor, earplugs because you never know, soap sheets. Buy these at Tiger. Love this. My hairpins, and that's all. That's all I have to show you. That's my bag, people. What do you think? Did I behave properly? Am I carrying too much? I don't care. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please do leave me a thumbs up down below. Which are your travel essentials? Let me know. I would love, love, love to be filled in on that subject. And thank you for spending your time on me. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and share my channel with people you may think may be interested in what I have to say. And without further ado, thank you for being there, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!